Today I'm gonna make a batch of authentic hummus. So we're gonna start first by getting some juice from a lemon, slice in the middle, and you're gonna need anywhere from 1.5 to 2 lemons. I don't like it too lemony, so I'm just gonna use the juice from 1 lemon, which will be perfect for us. It provides that freshness and so much better than the store-bought kind in a yellow lemon-shaped bottle. So go ahead and definitely juice your lemon. And we're gonna combine the ingredients maybe in a different order than you're used to. So we'll start first with the tahini. Tahini is ground sesame seeds. You can usually find it wherever Greek olives are kept in your grocery store. We're gonna add 1/2 cup. And then to this, I'm gonna grab a scraper here. We're gonna add the rest of our preliminary ingredients. So we'll add a tablespoon of fresh garlic. You don't need to peel it, just put it in your garlic press and give it a squeeze right over the top. We'll add 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. And I've already gotten some in there. We'll add just a little bit more. This is our coarse sea and Himalayan salt. And I will add our lemon juice. So I've got just about enough in there. Add that over the top. Okay, we're gonna blend this first. I'll put it right on the grind setting to get us started. And we're gonna let that get nice and smooth. It should only take a few seconds. Now that the tahini is all blended, we're gonna drizzle in some ice water. Ice water is key with good hummus. So I'm gonna start this back up and I'm gonna pour it right over the top. 2 tablespoons. Press the button to pause it. And now we're gonna add our garbanzo beans, also called chickpeas. These were actually canned. You can cook them yourself. Rinse them off really well, and you want to put those all in there. And to this, we're going to add some cumin. You can skip this, but it really makes it authentic. So 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and let's give it a mix. Still on the grind setting. Now that the hummus is ready, I'm gonna show you how to plate it so that it's traditional and delicious. So you're gonna put a pile of it in the plate, just like this. And then use the back of your spoon or your scoop and spread to kind of spread it into an even layer. And it's fun when it has the grooves of the spoon because that will help capture the olive oil. So give a little drizzle, not very much because you don't want it to be overly oily. Just a little drizzle so you can see it on top. Just like that. And then you can use some creativity. You could add some chopped fresh parsley. I'm gonna use some of our Greek rub for a little bit of color, and then some ground sumac, or I'm using smoked paprika just for some pretty color. This is perfect now to serve with warm pita chips, or some crunchy raw vegetables. What will you serve it with? Take a look.